What's up, YouTube? Cat of Mine's coming at you. Got a pair of Hare 7s. Of course, as you know, they're suede, so it ain't that much you can do to them. As you can see, the toe box is very yellow. They've been brought to me today to unyellow that toe box. Now, one thing people don't understand, your shoes are going to turn yellow no matter what, just from being in the box, whether you wear them or not. But once you do the unyellowing process on them, I think it speeds up the yellowing turning, and it comes back faster. It might come back in a week, a month, a year, but when that yellowing comes back, it's going to be way yellow than what it was before. That's the only problem about unyellowing your shoes. You see the little piece right here is yellow. So that's the bad part about getting your shoes unyellow. I feel like once you do that process, it speeds it up and it makes it even worse, more yellow. But that's the worst thing. Everybody hates that yellowing, so they're willing to spend the money to get that undone, even though it keeps coming back. So like I said, I'm gonna unyellow these Hare 7s, and I'll be back with the finished product. Back with the finished product, Jordan Hare 7s. All I had to do was unyellow the toe box, which of course came out pretty good. I unyellowed the little white piece on the side. There's two of them. There's one on the inside also. So I unyellowed those. Like I said earlier, the only thing about when you unyellow, that yellowing is going to come back faster now. But it's done. So unyellowing on Jordan Hare 7s. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think.